Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove a green screen in CapCut. It's fast, easy, and even if you are just starting out. And the best part, this trick doesn't only work for green. You can remove any solid color backgrounds that's bright and contrasting. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your CapCut and then create new projects and then import your main video and green screen clip. Like this. And then just make the green clips into an overlay and then drag it above the main video like this. And then just select your green screen clips and then go to remove background, this one, choose chroma key, and then use the color picker tool to select the background color that you want to remove. In here we want to remove the greens area, but it will be a green, blue, or any solid color that on your background, as long as it's different enough from your subject. Just place it to the green screen like this. And then next, just adjust the intensity slider to completely remove the background, and use the shadow slider to soften the edges so your subject will blend naturally. For example, like this. And after that, once the background's gone, you can resize. You can resize the clip or just reposition or rotate your subject to fit the new background. Just make it more realistic. Next, you can tweak the brightness or temperature or saturations and many more. You can go to adjust and then just tweak it as you need. It will help your subject match the lighting of your main video. Next, when everything looks perfect, just click export in the top right corner. And okay, maybe that's it. That's how you can remove green screen or any solid color background in CapCut. It's super easy, right? If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.